Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Viper. Okay, so I'm going to give you a small little update. I've tried to make this video a few times, but the camera keeps shutting off and all that, so I'm going to try to make this as short and as sweet as possible. Since August of last year, you guys might have noticed that my video just received bad news or worst news ever. About a month before that, I developed blood clots in both of my legs. Uh, the right one more severe than the left. You know, it was just a small one in my left one and an extremely huge one in my right leg. So, and that's the reason why my leg blew up like a balloon. Because from the middle of the thigh down to my kneecap, the vein expanded about this much, that wide, and about that high. So my whole right leg was, from the middle of my thigh all the way down to my ankle. It hurt, but unfortunately it wasn't all at the same time, which is kind of weird because my leg blew up. I fell at work, and the next thing I knew, my vein from my knee, the left side of my knee, all the way up, halfway up my thigh, it expanded. And that was like, 4 or 5 days after my leg had blew up. So I don't know if that's two different problems or if it's just one and it started down in the lower calf and just worked its way up. But my cardiologist, he tested everything. He tested my heart. He tested both my legs, main arteries in my legs. Uh, he checked the main vein. He checked the secondary veins. He checked the deep veins. He checked everything and determined that I had blood clots, But unfortunately, I just found out about the one in my right leg this last time around. I don't know why, when I had the first test done, that the lady there, it was kind of funny that she just put me on blood thinners and sent me off to back up to the doctor, and you know and I don't think he even told me at that time, but who knows. But the blood clots are gone. My legs still hurt like hell. you know I'll still have problems with it. He wants to send me to go see another doctor about sealing the vein that had the blood clot in it, so the blood will be redirected to other veins to get back to where it needs to go without any issues. How they're going to do it, I don't know. He says it takes 15-20 minutes for the procedure. And of course, I have to get authorization before I can do it, because if my medical, doesn't pay for it, then I'm not going to be able to have it done. But as of right now, I'm blood clot free. So we'll see what that doctor says. That's not until April 7th or April 9th. But, you know, like I said, who knows? I'm still around. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video I uploaded. Just so you know, anything that was in that storage is up for sale. Down below in the description, right below my PayPal link, you'll see my email. Just email me. Put in title, what item you're talking about. If you want close-ups, send me your phone number. I can send you a text, you know. But I'm going to offer things to my viewers first, you know. And, you know, we can go from there. Unfortunately, if I do sell it to somebody on YouTube, you know, you have to be a member, you know, and of my channel. So, in other words, your name has to show up under my subscribers, you know, and just tell me who you are in the email, what item, and what your offer is, and if I think it's a reasonable offer, because you got to remember that I have to make my money back. I have to make a profit, and then there's my time, you know. In this part of it, time, you know, is a factor, you know. So I will be doing that. So we'll see what happens. But like I said, just email me. Tell me which item you want. If you can, put a timestamp on when you saw that item. You know, so this way I can go back into that item, look at it, see which item you're talking about, and then go and get it, and, you know, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, so I am going to do a reveal of that auction, or yeah, I'm going to show you everything because I've already gone through it and everything, and I'll show you in the next video after this, if I can get it to record. I did one video and the audio was completely gone. You could barely hear me, so I think I was covering up the mic when I was holding the camera. So we'll see on how this video goes, and I'll redo the other video, and this way I can get back to doing what I love to do, which is scrapping. To show you guys how to make the most money. And then I got a surprise coming up in the near future, so hopefully you guys will stick around for that. You know, I've been watching other auctions, but it also depends on if I have money in hand so I can go and do this. Because I have to give them $100 deposits, which I get that back, and then I got to pay the auction site, and then, you know, all that has to be included in the price of the items. But I do want to make a bank account so I can actually go after bigger units that are more money. But you got to start someplace. So I took a chance on this one, and, you know, we'll see how it goes. I will do a video of everything that I've sold, you know, since I've been doing this, you know, just like a slideshow thingy, a majigger. So that's all this was an update on my condition, and tell you that I'm going to be recording the reveal. So for all yous that watched it, that video, you might want to watch that, because there might be something in there that you might want. And unfortunately, the people that are interested in the item sorry, but you have to pay shipping because I'm too poor. And it also depends on how you send the money. If you send the money through my PayPal link below in the description, you'll get it a lot faster because I will have the money right away, which I can send out the package right away. But unfortunately, if you go under buyer's protection through PayPal, where I have to actually pay, you know, more money comes out of the price and everything, unfortunately, price is going to go up on the item or the shipping because I got to make that money, you know. So, but if you make a donation to this channel, then we have no issues, and I will send out the package. I am a very trustworthy person. I don't believe in ripping people off, you know. But if you want pictures of it, like I said, we'll send up a text so this way I can send you close-ups so you can actually see the item before I ship it out. And I will be putting a tracking on all packages. If it's a big item, unfortunately, it's going to have to go through UPS. But you tell me how you want it shipped, I'll get you a price. When money's deposited, then I ship. So we'll just do it that way for now. But all items are offered to my subscribers only. So if you want to buy anything, you have to subscribe, and I have to see you in my list. So no hiding. So, well, I'm going to go ahead and end this video so I can get on to the other one. Oh, sorry about that if you heard the child. But stay tuned for the next video because that's the reveal of the $50 storage unit. So, as I always say, scrap it right, make that money. Peace! You, as Scrap Kingdom would say. Later. Bye. GoPro, stop recording.